Hi everyone, Phil here, and this is just a quick video tour of the Airbnb that Sophia and I stayed at over the weekend, and we're coming to the end of it. We're actually getting ready to leave, but I really wanted to do a quick video on what this place looks like. So one of the things that I think you're going to notice just from looking over here, it's kind of a traditionally styled house. So I don't know how old it is, but it's relatively old. But as you can see, out here in the patio in the front, they have a really nice garden as well as kind of just a really great decor and things like that. And it's really tranquil out here in Otavalo. That's where we're at. It's about 2 hours away from Quito by bus, so not too difficult to get around over here. But as you can see, like I was saying before, there's quite a bit of nice decor, and the rain has kind of slowed down a little bit, and we just got finished doing some activities. So if you're in the mode of being able to travel and things like that, and you want to go to a place that's kind of very serene, and if you are into things like, you know, hiking or biking up some mountains and things like that, this is going to be the place for you. I didn't see a lot of discotheques or anything like that, so this might not be a place for good like nightlife things. But if you're into training, biking, hiking, staying outside and things like that, this area is going to be just a godsend for you. So we're just going to go enter here. Sophia's actually getting ready to pack her stuff as well. So as you can see, you know, again, traditional style house. It's very large. We actually had the whole place to ourselves, so that was kind of nice. It would have been great to have other people here, but I definitely want to return. And as you can see, one of the great aspects too about the decor is that they have a lot of antiques. So the owner of the house is an artist who lives out in the Galapagos Islands, and they have caretakers that actually live in the back. So you can see there are some pictures of the artist, as well as, like I said, some antiques. You got that old record player, and you have several of the art pieces that the artist actually created. So it's pretty nice. So this is the sala, or the living room, and then that's pretty cool too. That old typewriter reminds me of the one that I have as well, and obviously the dining table. But we're gonna walk over to the kitchen area. So you get a full kitchen, stove obviously, and things like that, and then just another nice dining area. There is a driveway over there, but it's not necessary to actually look at that right now. And then as we walk towards the hallway over here, all the way towards the end where there's the mirror. I was gonna call it espejo, which is the mirror in Spanish. But on this side is one of the rooms, and then you have an additional bathroom that's over here. Hopefully you can see that with some of the light. An additional bedroom over here, and then this is the room that we stayed at, and then it has its own bathroom. But this is again a place that I already told Sophia that I'd like to be able to come back here again. But if you guys are curious about what this place looks like, again, really beautiful Airbnb. We had the whole place to ourselves, and it's going to be a great place for, you know, if you want to bring family, have a group of friends, and then go out and do some outdoor activities. I'm going to tell you right now, the activities that we did today, and we tried to fit in as many as that we could over the course of the weekend, but I can honestly tell you it is absolutely amazing out here. It's beautiful. People here are super nice, and we actually had some really great food by the cascadas, the waterfall area, where there's shops and things and restaurants where you can, you know, obviously buy gifts and whatnot. So that's all I got. Hope you guys like this quick video. I want to do kind of just a live walkthrough and things like that to give you guys an idea of, you know, some of the Airbnbs that we go visit, and this is one of them that we stayed at. And like I said, it's a place that we're going to be coming back to, I hope, in the near future. But just check it out. Just one more kind of quick panoramic view of the living room. And that's all I got. Thank you guys very much.